Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your PC. Playing this popular mobile game on a larger screen offers a fantastic experience. The only officially supported and recommended method involves using a dedicated emulator. This approach ensures you maintain fair play standards and enjoy the game with optimized performance. You will need a reliable internet connection and a capable computer to get started smoothly. This guide will walk you through each step, making it easy to set up and enjoy. To begin your journey, the crucial first step is to acquire the official emulator. GameLoop is the recommended and most optimized platform for playing Call of Duty Mobile on your computer. It is specifically designed to provide a seamless and high-performance gaming experience, ensuring compatibility and smooth gameplay. Always download GameLoop directly from its official website to guarantee you receive the legitimate and most up-to-date version, avoiding any potential issues or unofficial software. Once you have downloaded the GameLoop executable file, the installation process is straightforward. Simply run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to set up the emulator on your system. After GameLoop is successfully installed, open the application. Within the emulator's interface, you will find a search bar. Use this to locate Call of Duty Mobile. Proceed to download and install the game directly through GameLoop, just as you would on a mobile device. With Call of Duty Mobile installed within GameLoop, you are almost ready to dive into the action. Take a moment to adjust the emulator settings to best suit your PC's specifications, ensuring optimal performance and visual quality. Crucially, configure your keyboard and mouse controls to your personal preference for comfortable and precise gameplay. Finally, log in with your existing Call of Duty Mobile account to synchronize all your progress, achievements, and in-game purchases, allowing you to pick up right where you left off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.